Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse this kind of mess. Basically what I did, because I wanted to kind of cheat a video, I thought, let me basically just take my eye makeup off, and now taking it off, this looks so orangey and it just looks weird, but once I sorted it all out, it's gonna look okay. But I'm gonna kind of go back in. I'm gonna do kind of a short and simple eye look, something where I'm not going to use lashes, because I feel like I'm using lashes quite a lot in my eye look. Sorry, there's a bit of glue stuck to my lashes. So I just want to make it a bit more different. So okay, without further ado, let's get started. Look how orangey that looks, and that's my foundation, you know. That means obviously it's oxidizing, isn't it? Yeah, I've got eyeshadow there. Like, do you see the difference? Like from that to that? But obviously, let me put the brightness on my spotlight. It's not that bad, but when it's bright, it is. But I mean, I do use a warmer tone foundation to make myself look a bit more tanned, because otherwise I just look a bit ghostly. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pomade. And let me just focus that so you guys can see, in the shade medium, light medium. And I'm gonna basically put that all over both my eyelids to kind of cancel out any redness, because I just took my eye makeup off. Yeah, it's so weird how you never realize that your foundation is oxidizing until you take off your eye and then realize. But this is a really simple but colourful kind of look that I'm going for. Now the reason I'm doing this kind of look is simply because I've not used this colour before, so I'm actually quite excited to use this colour, but at the same time I'm kind of nervous because I've never used it before. But you know, when you've just seen so many people use it and you're like, it's actually not that bad, like as much as you think it is. So hopefully it comes out the way I want it to. And I don't think I'm gonna use eyeliner, guys. I'm thinking, let's just keep it. Whoa, look how orange that looks. Something. But anyway, yep. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to go over with a bit of translucent powder, set it in place so it doesn't kind of move out of place, because obviously you don't want it to kind of, you know, like sometimes when you don't want to set it, your eyeshadows do move, especially when you're in hot rooms kind of thing. So yeah, the first palette I'm going to go in with is the Modern Renaissance. I'm going to take my AO8 Spectrum brush and I'm going to dip into regular, which is like an orange. No, I'm going to dip into bit orange first. So I'm going to take colour as high as I can, because we are going to be adding more colours underneath. And take it out like that. Like so. Just drag it in. Take it out like that. Just like that. That makes sense. I don't know why, guys, but I've got real bad eye glue stuck on my lashes. I think you can see as well, which is kind of annoying. But anyway, I'm gonna go and do the other eye. I'm going to take it a bit more higher because I feel like it's just going to complete the look kind of thing. Then I'm going to take a Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush and pick up the darker orange, which is regular. And this one looks like it's got a lot of fallout. And I'm just going to pack that on there, darken it up. What I'm thinking is if I go I'm going to kind of close it off. By the way guys, I know my eyebrows have been doing, but I'm trying to roll them. So it should look like that. And then I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay palette, electric one. And I'm going to pick up the brush colour and I'll place it all over my eyelid. These colours are so pigmented guys. And that is it for the eyeshadow guys. You know, actually I really like that colour, which is super impressed. I'm going to clean up the sides a bit though guys. I'm going to clean them up a bit from my view and that. I think I'm going to take a bit of the orange, darker orange underneath. I'm just going to use what's left on my brush. And then I'm going to go in with mascara. No eyeliner and no falsies. I don't think I'm going to apply mascara to this, but well, I'm going to have to now actually. And that's the final look, guys. It was just a really simple look, but just with colour. I just wanted to create something different because I feel like I'm always kind of doing something complicated with lashes or eyeliner, so I just wanted to do something different. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share and do leave comments in the comments down below, and any suggestions and anything like that. Also guys, please do check out my Instagram. It's also called Sabrina Shaen, and I do post a lot of my own content, but also other people's content that I really like, because obviously why not, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!